Yes, and of course, that's Captain Ricky. I met him after the hurricane, and ever since then, he's just said that he wants to get back to work. And you know, he made quite the impression on you, our viewers. We had a lot of messages, people wondering how Ricky is doing, and other people saying that Ricky, along with the other shrimpers, gave you a sense of hope after the hurricane, knowing that they survived on these shrimping boats throughout Hurricane Ian. And now we want to share with you the progress, as we know that all 36 of these shrimping boats are back in the water in less than 6 months, and Captain Ricky is about to be back on the water as well. After searching the area and finding Ricky's boat, we finally found Captain Ricky again.
We're not in the tents anymore. As you can see, we're staying on the boat and trying to get everything ready for us to go back offshore.
A lot of progress made. The Florida Division of Emergency Management said they refloated the 36 shrimping boats, and it cost $9.6 million to get done, as they try to get the shrimping industry back and captains like Ricky back to work.
It's been hard, but we okay. Just wanted to get back to work.
With that being said, Ricky is not heading back out on his old boat, the Gallant, as it's heading to Alabama for work. As the fleet manager told us, it's because of the lack of docks here that Hurricane Ian destroyed.
I don't want to go to Alabama. You know, I've been here for 35 years, and you know, if I don't want to go to Alabama. I really don't want to go up to Alabama. I'm gonna stay right here for miles. This is home for me.
So he'll be heading out on the Renee Lynn. He thought it would take at least a year to get these large vessels back in the water. Just look at the difference compared to what we saw less than 4 months ago.
All I can say is God is good. It gave me hope that we can get on back out here.
Adding hope that we will recover from this.
Just the recovery, right? Yeah.
But reflecting back on the past 6 months, it's been hard on all of us. And just like Ricky told me months ago about that sound that Hurricane Ian made, it continues for him today.
This dream I've been having, it's a recurring dream, and it's something running me through the woods. I can hear it, and I can't look back. I just keep running, but I wake up just when I feel like this thing fitting to catch me, and that sound I'll never forget. I'll never forget that sound.
Still hear it, huh?
Yeah, I still hear that sound.
Ricky says he hopes by telling you all of this that people will understand just how serious Hurricane Ian was.
When something like this coming, we got to run from this. We can't. I don't want nobody to stay here and be in the same situation that I was in.
Captain Ricky says he and the other shrimpers have a closer relationship ever since the hurricane hit, knowing that they all survived on these shrimping boats. We can still see that there's a lot of the aftermath throughout this area from where Hurricane Ian hit. Again, like he said, he wants to make sure that you guys get out of the area if anything like that happens again. And as for getting back out on the water, that boat that Ricky will be on, it'll be back on the water this Friday. Live here on Fort Myers Beach, Elise Chingari, Fox 4.